I'm going to show you how Instazign is like your very own personal graphic design and social media team all in one. So I'm logged into the interface, and the first thing I'm going to do is I can choose from any of the hot niches and pick a template that I want to start with, or I could build one from scratch. I'm just going to choose a template here, and then I can go ahead and in literally one click, if I want to create all the multiple sizes, I can just click on size, and I can create all these different banner sizes that I can use. I can download them, I can post them to social media, and a host of other things in any way that I want to use them. But that's just the start of what makes Instazign so awesome, because now I can go down and I can customize any and every element of this entire graphic. I can change out the background if I want. I can change out the text. I can add different things like shapes. I can add different elements like callouts and characters and illustrations. And I can add lighting. I can add overlays and transparent photos. I can add visual stripes to there. I can also add whatever text I want, and I can choose from a ton of different fonts. And I can even upload my own elements to include in my designs as well. So for this one, let's say that we wanted to change some things out. If I go over here to background, I can click on this and upload my own background, or I can just go and choose a different background that I'd like to replace this with. So if I scroll down and I find one that I like, I can just click on that, and it's going to go ahead and swap out that background for me. I can delete the old background, and now I have a completely different design just like that. But I can also go ahead and I can add a colored border to the outside if I choose to do that. So I could go ahead and customize this to any color I want. I can make it thinner, I can move it in or move it out. I can also add a color overlay to the entire graphic, and I can choose the color on that I want as well. Then I can go ahead and change the text. So if I want to edit the text itself, I can do that, but I can also edit the actual fonts. And I can swap out or delete or add shapes and other things to my design also. So if I decided I wanted to switch up the design, I could go ahead and add that. And then I can add different text here like this. And I can customize this text any way I want as well. I can change that. I can come over here and I can change the font to any of the fonts that I want. And then if I want to go ahead and create this in different sizes, all I'm going to do is uncheck that. I'm going to go ahead and select the things that I want to group together. I'm going to group them, and I'm going to go ahead and click size. And that is going to create that graphic in all those different sizes for me. Then if I want to load that into the designer, any one of these, I can download them all as images. I go ahead and click on that, load it into the designer. And then if I want to publish it to social media, I can go ahead and click publish. I go over here, choose the socials that I want to publish to. I can enter my message. This is awesome. I can put in a link to send traffic anywhere I want to go. And then all I have to do is go down here and click post, and I'm done. You can see why Instazign is like your very own graphic design and social media team all in one. And this is just the start of the features of what you can do with Instazign.